Hello mga kalindog! Today we're going unboxing my e-bike. Ayan. So, I love this e-bike because it's summer now here. So, we're starting to move. So, I try to make, biking around the river. What you see there, guys. So, ayan. So, we're going to unbox. Let's start. And please, don't forget to subscribe. And tap the notification bell so you're always notified with my new videos. Okay, guys.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade.
Bibili tayo guys ng e-bike. Ayan, pa-deliver natin. So, tignan natin kung aling e-bike ang mas maganda or what. Okay? O, ayan. How much is this? Ayan guys. Ito naman, 2,500. Ito may blue. But no green. Wala siyang green. So, this is parang yung akin. How much? 4,148. Oh my God. Diba? Ayan, ganyan guys. There we go guys. Ayan. Dumating na. There come already my e-bike. You see? This is the e-bike. He gonna be looks like that. But he's white. Ayan, somebody who sponsor me that, but he doesn't want to tell who is he. Anyway, but I feel bad because he don't want me to tell his name, but it's okay. Your wish is my command, my dear sponsor. Ayan, thank you. Ayan, oh, so beautiful. So we're going to unboxing that, okay? So you will see how beautiful this. Oh my God, and the battery is also very expensive for that. Ayan, no, that's the color is white. E-bike. So guys, open natin siya. Oh my God, I love it. Yan, you see, this is not too big, but this is only small. You see, only because it's because of the box. But this is a small bike, guys, and they can fold it. I will show you, okay? So let's start now. Let's unbox. So ayan mga kalindog, let us open this or unboxing this e-bike, okay? So ayan mga kalindog, let's do it. Dog, I have a knife, and of course I have a scissor. Ayan. So ayan, dalawa. This is two things, guys. Okay? Diyan tayo. I have two things para makita nyo. Ayan. So this is later, mga kanindog. Let's start first. Oh, excited! So, whoops. Oh my God. Ayan guys, pakita ko sa inyo what is inside, ha? Ayan. Sa inyo. Ayan. There is all the wheels and the batteries and all the things. So, labas natin one by one. Let's put it out. One by one, okay? Ayan. So, mga kalindog. I think, ayan, this is the battery. But I think the battery is small. Ayan. Small battery. Para sa ating e-bike. Ayan. Para when we're going in the mountain or in the hills, it's not too much hard. Ayan mga kalindog, this is the pedal. This is from the foods. But I think I cannot take care of this alone. I need somebody who help me here. So ayan guys, how we guys, try natin. Let's try to take care of. Ayan ha, I'll show you. There we go, mga kalindo. The color is white. Oh my God. Ayan mga kalindo, look at this. So there we go. Ayan, di ba? Nakita niyo ito. Wait mga kalindo. Kita ko lang sa inyo. So para hindi siya I think this is used. It's already dirty. The wheel. Yan. Para siya itumayo. So ayan siya mga kalindo. Wait. There we go. So yung mga kalindog. So, that's will gonna be like this. Yung mga kalindog. He will gonna be like this. O, yung ating e-bike like that. No? Yung pakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang ha. I show you better. Kalindog, diba? Yung color niya is white. So, we need to fix all here. I don't know what's... But me, I don't know how to do that. Ayan mga kalindog, diba? Nakita nyo, ito yung kanyang battery. So yung pinakita ko the while ago is not a battery, that is charger. So ayan ang ating e-bike mga kalindog. Diba? Para siyang oh my God guys, ang bigat. Diba? Ganda niya, ayan yung kanyang upuan. This is the chair or the seat, I mean. Ayan, they need to put in here. And of course, here is the here is in the other side yung manibela. This. Okay, so ayan. Kita nyo, di ba? How beautiful siya. So ayan mga kalindog. So i-ano natin siya, vulcanize or I mean fix natin. Let us fix how come that one. Okay, so wait. Kung paano siya, how we gonna fix it all. Okay, we gonna do it. So ayan mga kalindog, nakita nyo, di ba? Wait, ayan. Pakita ko rin sa inyo, we bought this one. So ayan, open natin din siya. There we go. I think this is ayan guys, oh there we go. So ayan mga kalindog, this is for the back. Lagay natin siya sa back kasi I need some basket or a little bit things. So I'm gonna put here Victoria and Lucky. I'm gonna buy like the big basket. So ito lalagay siya dito sa back. Here like that. So yun na. So ipipix natin siya all. We're gonna what do you call that? So ayan mga kalindog, this is ready for, so what do you call this? This is seat for carrier. Ayan, ang tawag dito, seat for carrier. Ayan, ready for race. Ayan, di ba? So makikita natin pag going to bike or going to somewhere. So if I, for example, I want to bring Douglas or Lucky or Victoria, so I'm gonna put here the basket. So that's one, I'm gonna buy also one, okay? So ipipix natin siya, i-assemble. Let us assemble first this e-bike and then you will see what is the real, oh ayan, meron din siyang, oh, we have a key guys. Ayan, I don't know for what is this key. Ayan, pakita ko sa inyo, they have a key. Ayan, meron siyang key But I don't know where is this for the key. Ayan, no? So, makikita natin yan lahat. Ayan, guys. O, diba? Kitang-kita nyo. Ito yung kanyang battery. Ayan. Ang ganda niya, guys. I love it. Ayan. I mean, love ready for this e-bike. Ayan, diba? Bagong-bago siya. And the wheel is still soft. So, ayan, guys. Let us assemble first and then you will see. No? Guys, o diba? How did you, diba? So what can you say, my e-bike, guys? Ayan. So ngayon, here is the battery. Dan nilalagay yung battery. Ayan, guys. Tapos yung kanyang key. Saan ba yung kanyang key? So ayan yung key para sa engine niya sa kanyang e-bike, sa kanyang, ayan, o diba? So beautiful, o diba? Ito nilagay na natin ang, ayan, assemble. Bibili pa tayo ng basket, mga kalindog. So, ayan. Diba? Ayan. Tignan nyo, guys, yung kanyang light. Ayan, maganda din yung light niya. Ayan, sa gabi. So, ano yan, ayan, diba? Can you say, mga kalindog? Tignan nyo, diba? Beautiful. Beauty, beauty. So, diba? Ayan, ang kalindog. Diba? You say about now? Oh my god, guys, I'm excited. I want to ride on my bike, my e-bike. Diba? Beautiful. Guys, yung battery ng e-bike, we're charging. So we'll see when and until diba? Charging. Guys, of course, ito yung kanyang computer. Dito siya on and off. Ayan, para tumakbo, di ba? And you will see here how many kilometers at kung how fast it is, the middle, fast, and high. So, ayan. So, turn off natin. Ayan. O, di ba? Off. Ayan. Ayan, guys. I-on natin ang kanyang computer. Wait, ayan. At we're going na, ayan, diba? So, ayan, guys. So, ngayon, ready na tayong mag-bike. So, there we go, guys. Dahil malamig, dito kami, we're going na to biking. O, diba? Cute. Very cute house. So, guys, let's bike. So, guys, because I need some lock for my new bike or for my new e-bike, so we need to go or find the store for the bicycle. So I need to buy the lock so I can use it today. I'm so excited. So ayan, I show you guys kung saan tayo bibili or where I'm going to buy. But I think we need to, I need to go in the city, guys. So I will show you later. Okay? So let's go. Ayan. So I'm walking. Ayan, guys. Beautiful weather. Oh my God. So there we go, mga kalindog. This is the Planet Bike. We're going here in Planet Bike. We're gonna buy here the padlock or the lock. Ayan, the Planet Bike. Ayan. So let's go inside, ha? Ayan, mga kalindog. Malaki siya. Ayan yung mga bike. Let's buy all na. Ayan, go! Hindi na natin. Kahit mahal, wag lang madyoka o manakaw, di ba? Ayan, bilhin na natin itong 90 euro, di ba? Okay. So, ayan mga kalindog. Get na, kalindog. Pauwi na tayo. Dahil bumili lang tayo ng basket para sa aking e-bike. At tignan natin kung kasya siya. Kasi yung e-bike ko is very small. Hindi siya kasya. Bumili ako dun sa ano yun sa... Where is that? The Paradlade. Ano ba yun niya? Paradlade sa... paninda ng mga bisikleta. Hindi siya kasya. So baka gusto niya talaga nang mumurahin yung bike ko dahil alam niya ang e-bike mahal. Guys, we're also biking. Ayan, ang ating bagong e-bike. Diba? Ang dala-dala natin si Lucky. Diba? At nandito kami sa, ayan, this is, ano to, ginagawang, they're doing the oil. O, diba? Ayan. So, ayun, diba? So, ayan. Dito kami sa kung anong kabgubatan ito. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. Ayan, I'm so happy sa aking e-bike na dumating na and I use already. So thank you. Ayan, I'm always enjoy biking. So ayan guys, thank you. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye.